Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to share with you how to turn on dark theme in your Tecno Camon 20. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be recently bought this Tecno Camon 20 and you are wondering how to turn on dark theme. In order to do that, it's really very easy and simple. You need to click in your Tecno Camon 20 settings section. After click over there, you need to click here display and brightness. After click over display and brightness, we will see a screen appear just like this. So if you decide to turn on dark theme, you can simply choose this dark theme. Now whenever I go anywhere in my Tecno Camon 20, we will see everything is going to be appear dark theme, which is quite interesting. So if we decide to turn off dark theme, you can again go here settings section, display brightness. You can easily turn on light theme, and that's going to be enable light theme. Also you can easily turn on schedule a dark theme. You can choose here sunset to sunrise or custom schedule. You can choose here every day, this time to that time, let my phone automatically turn on dark theme. You can easily choose the time, and so from that particular time every day your phone is going to be automatically turn on dark theme. So if you decide to turn off schedule, you can also turn this off. Also there's another quick shortcut way to turn on or off dark theme in your Tecno Camon 20. So in order to do that, you need to swipe down just like this. You need to just swipe down to go all this quick launch area, and then swipe down, and then you will find here dark theme. So if I choose here a dark theme, immediately my phone everything going to be appear dark theme. So if you decide to turn off, you can again swipe down just like this, and then you can easily turn this off dark theme. So within this simple way you can easily turn on or off dark theme in your Tecno Camon 20. So that's one now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.